Hi guys, I'm gonna tour you around our apartment we live here in Vietnam. So let's have a doorbell. You hear that? And open. Okay, first thing is this is where nagkapoy English something hindi pambutang ng mga cellophanes and shoes. This one is for beach. This is where we put our shoes and slippers. Okay, here are my slippers. And here. And this one is our hangiranan sa mga bag. Oh my god. And in this right side is a bathroom. We have two bathrooms here, but this one. Oops. This is the part. Close. This one is pang init. If you want a hot water, then you have to turn it on. Next is the living area. This is where I work. This is my work setup here. While in this other side this is where we eat breakfast, dinner. And oh wait, let me show you here. This is very nice view. Like this one is our living area with TV, a big TV with flowers, of course. And we go inside here. And we have this as well, massager. It's very important because sometimes our back is hurt. And we exercise as well. And this mat, the living area, the chair, my helmet, TV. So this is what it looks like. And what's the good part is this. Okay, this is our hanging area. We hang our clothes there, cleaning, palimpyo sa floor. And the best part is the background. It's so nice background, but sometimes it's very hot. Wow. And next is our kitchen area. Mixer. This one is making juice for orange mixed juice. Okay. Yeah. This one is durian. What's inside here is durian. And this is where I cook with this and something here. And this is our fruits, cherry plum. Area is this is a grape syrup that we bought in grape tea. And we have this inside here. This is what it looks. Other one. And our plates is in here in this side. And this is for rice, but we didn't use it. On the other side, it's for tissue, something like that. And this is where we put our English ito na. Dili na mabutang ang among talaha. Okay na. And in this side is full of plastics. from the market, from the supermarket. And the other side is our rice. It's very important, rice. And this is where I turn on if I want to cook. And next is our... So Vietnam is very hot. So need na ko ang fan kay hot sad, init sad ang laptop. So init kayo kung mag-work ko. So I need a fan, and I have a little fan here inside as well para mahanginan ang laptop para dili mag-init. So that's it in this area. Ta-da! And we have 2 bedrooms. So this one we use this for. This is his office area. And this is the view. Whoa. That's the view. Our luggage. This is our bedroom. Our cabinet. Yeah, and this one is for my something for makeup. And this is our cabinet, the clothes, this, okay, and the bed. And this is the second really easy bathroom. Okay, you just turn on the lights, or if you want to turn on hot water, you can turn it on if you want a hot water. And this is what it looks like. Turn it off. And next is the beautiful one, wind pair. We can see the wind pair here in the side, and we can watch fireworks every weekend. So we were gonna go there wind pair next time. For now we're so busy. And this is our washing machine. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, washing machine. And this is the view of our bedroom. So hot. Yeah. So nice here. Okay, I think that's all. Nothing special. It's special because it's beautiful, but that's all. Not a lot to show. Maura na siya. What time na? Time is 11:02, so I have 1 more hour to prepare before work. So goodbye, and I have to cook. It's very windy here, and sometimes it's hot. Yeah. Then turn left.